The next one now is what? Ogbals. Ogbals. The Ogbals rule states that in filling electron into the atom, the orbitals of lower energy level must be filled first before orbitals of higher energy level. This man states that what? In the filling electronic configure what? In the process of filling of electron into the what? Atom of an element, the orbitals of lower energy level must be considered first before that of higher energy level. That if you are sharing electron to the orbitals, he said what? The orbitals of lower energy level must be first filled before the orbitals of what? Of higher energy what? Level. That is what? Orban's what? Rule. And the Orban's rule can be denoted by this. Let's see it. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d10. Then we have 4s2, 4p6, 4d10, 4f14. We have 5s2, we have 5p6, we have 5d10, 6s2, we have 6p6, and we have 7s2. Look at this. The lowest energy level is what? Start from 1s2. What is the last one? 7s2. So let me do this. If you look at this, if you want to write the conversion of any element, start from 1s2. After 1s2, you need to what? To come back like this. To what? 2s2. After 2s2, you what? You come back like this. You come to what? 2p6 followed by what? 3s2. You now come back from 3s2 again to this side. This is what? 3p6. After 3p6, you take what? 4s2. After 4s2, you need to what? To come back again to what? 3d10, 4s, 4p6, 3, 5s2. You now need to work again to come back like this. Have 4d10, 5p6, 6s2. You now come back again like this. To what? 4f14, 5d10, 6p6, 7d. So if we are writing what? The electronic configuration of any what? Element. So we need to what? To follow these trends like this. Let us check it here now. What is the first one? It starts from the what? One what? 1s2 followed by 2s2. Let me see that. 1s2 less than what? 2s2. So 2s2 less than what? 2p6. So these two pieces less than 3s2. The 3s2 less than what? Less than 3p6. The 3p6 less than what? 4s squared. 4s squared less than what? 3d10. 3d10 less than what? 4p6. 4p6 less than what? 5x squared. The 5x squared less than 4d10. The 4d10 less than 4d10 less than 5p6. 5p6 less than 6s squared. The 6s squared less than what? 4f14. This less than 5d10 less than 5 6p6 less than what? 7s2. So we can now see that what? This is what? The order of arrangement of atomic what? Orbitals from lowest to the what? The highest. You can see that what? It starts from 1s2 and end at what? 7p6. So look at these two as a case of study. We have 4 what? 4s squared here, and here we have what? 3d10. In terms of number, you know that we expect what? 4s squared to be what? Higher than 3d10. It's a lie. So this 3d10 is more powerful than what? Than 4. The same thing happened to what? 4p and 5 what? This and then 5 is more than this. So we must follow what? This thing. Yeah, let us solve 2 or more questions on this. Now, yeah, write example, write the electronic configuration configuration for the following elements. Number 1, let me take what? Carbon. Number 2, let me take what? Nitrogen. Number 3, take what? Oxygen. Number 4, take fluorine. Number 5, let us take what? Neon. Number 6, let's take sodium. 7, let's take aluminium. Number 8, let me take what? Chlorine. Number 9, let me take calcium. Number 10, let me take my what? Magnesium. So yeah, let us try the electronic configuration of this element. following elements. Look at carbon. It's a compound of atomic number what? 6. So for the carbon now, it's at atomic number 6. We start from what? From here. One what? One S2, followed by what? Two S2. This is number of electrons. 2 here, 2 here, 2 plus 2 making 4. Remaining what? 2 to make it 6. What's the next one? 2p. 2p what? 6. But the number is 2p6. But the number of electrons remaining here is 2. Reduce it, you now have what? 2. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 making what? 6. So nitrogen is what? Atomic number what? 7 for nitrogen. So for nitrogen, we have what? 1s2, 2s2, 2p3, 7. For oxygen, we have 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Because oxygen is what? Is 8. For fluorine, let me say fluorine is what? F what? F9. So by writing configuration for fluorine, we have 1s2, 2s2, 2p what? 9, 5. Writing for neon, which is what? 10, we are having 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. For sodium, which is 11, it will be what? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. After 2p6 here, check, is 4. Sorry, is 4. 2p6, we have 3 what? 3s. Sodium is 11. And if you look at what? Aluminium. Aluminium is L13, which is what? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, followed by what? 3 what? 3p1. Add it, it will be what? 13. 2 plus this plus this plus this, 13. So for chlorine, chlorine is what? Is 17. So configuration for chlorine, it will be what? 1s2, 2s, 2p6, 3s2, 3p, this is 10, 12, 5. This is what? 3p what? 5. For calcium, we all know that calcium is what? Is 20. It's 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. After 3p6, we have 4 what? 4s10. This is 10, 12, 12 plus 6, 18, 4s2. Then for magnesium, it's 12, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, and 3s2. That is how what? We use what? The upper stroke. Let us treat the last one, which is on stroke.